Good morning again. We are hitting Planet Fitness in Santa Claus outfits today. We're also going to be deadlifting on the side of the road. 1 honk equals 1 deadlift. Only got 180 pounds worth of weight loaded up in my car because for one, I only have one set of 45 plates, and for two, the 10-pound plates weren't really worth grabbing. So it all loaded up in my car. I've got a barbell stuck from the trunk to the front seat. We're gonna hold a sign that says 1 honk equals 1 deadlift in Santa suits.
Yeah, I'd make it easy. Gonna eat some food. I feel like deep within, it's just beneath the skin. I must confess that I feel like a rock star. Let's eat some food. Let's eat food.
How you like it?
Get all these honkers out here.
Honkers?
Crap. It's gonna take a minute. As you see, I'm doing all the work. Working hard over here. Just like at my normal job, hands in my pockets.
Help me, help. Pants with the fur. Dressed like Mariah Carey right now.
Santa Claus. Becoming one. It is. Yeah. Shanty panties. Let's go. Let's go. What was that? That wasn't my car.
Santa's cold.
My clean car.
Santa's cold.
Ah. That's it. I'm going on the nice list. Oh, not the shit list. You're going on Nasty's list. Santa's suck.
Santa's suck.
Don't look inside my clean car. It's private. Get out the way, man, you fucking idiot.
I didn't expect someone to pull a big ass truck there. How about 25s on the inside, 45s on the outside? I'm cooking, aren't I?
I'm just trying to figure out my belt, man. Wrap around. Wrap around, man.
The wrap around. The reach around, you mean?
Hey. Santa doesn't use naughty language. Fucker. Bitch based, man. You're a basic based bitch.
Your mom's bitch face.
Don't take that back. Don't say anything about my mother. Oh! That's one. That's one already, baby. It's gonna be a good day. Go, guys! It'll be quite the workout. That's a honk. That's a honk. That's a honk. Let's go. That's another honk. That's a honk. Let's go. Let's go. Hey! He said 6 of it. Oh, that's a wrap. Yeah. That's a 1 honk. Yeah. Oh, I got no bunch. Oh, Jesus. Oh, we did 3. 4. Woo! Oh. Oh, yeah. Get it.
That's like 7.
What the fuck?
Planet Fitness did not pay for this.
Oh God. Let's go.
Oh, that is not bueno.
Son,
Did you see that?
flat tires. Oh, more reps, baby. Oh, it's like 8.
That was like 16 honks.
Swap out, swap out. Oh, humbug. We need more reps, man.
Maybe like 3. One rep.
Oh, that was about 6.
Santa's gonna get sick.
Exactly. They love fucking honking. This was a bad idea. God damn. 50 reps apiece. Oh, God.
Holy cow.
Oh, Jesus. That's a workout, fellas. All right, now we're gonna be handing out some Bullfit electrolytes, hydration packs. Let's go.
Moon20bullfit.com.
Oh, man. Oh, my goodness. I underestimated how much people use their horn. That's a lot.
That's 1 rep.
One hawk.
That's all too many.
One more.
Talking like 3 times.
That's good. Oh, 2.
Oh, that's 3. 1, 2.
This is not easy, folks. That's not illegal. That's not illegal, man.
Improper use. Improper use. Let's go. Let's go. Woo. Oh. Ah. Make it up there.
Hide the sign. Hide the sign. Cut. Cut. Get out of here. Santa's gonna try Planet Fitness.
Just chest day. Let's get these mythical gains, brother. Your goal is to set off the lunk alarm, but if they do, they're on the shit list. I mean naughty list.
Naughty list.
I mean Epstein
course.
files list.
Naughty list. Don't listen to that guy.
They're on the list.
The list.
They're on many lists.
That's it. Right.
Hey, can I say hi? Are you like vlogging or taking pictures?
Vlogging.
Hey! After you pass this front desk, you can't vlog anymore though.
Oh.
That's fine.
Because there's a no camera policy.
That's illegal.
But happy holidays!
Merry Christmas!
Dude, recording in the bathroom is crazy. Just yeah, you should turn.
I didn't even have to drop it. It was the most silent 315 ever.
Stay hydrated. Gotta stay hydrated, son. We're about to come in here and do some chest, man.
How do you save a CrossFitter from drowning? Oh! You take your boot off of his head. Santa's got a big sack. So you know he's natty.
3 daughters sitting.
Yeah, I bet it's $225.
like waiting chairs, and they're gonna see us working out.
How could you tell?
Santas.
Santa would like to give you $300 credit on your card. Give me your card info now. Santa's bringing the Google Play cards. Have you been taking a poop this Christmas? Who's gonna carry the presents?
Indeed.
All the presents.
Nice, very nice.
Have a Merry Christmas.
Santa's chesticles are popping right now, bro.
Got a lot of cookies to eat this Christmas.
On incline.
Then he's gonna eat all the cookies.
Santa's gonna stand outside for a second. Gotta cool off, Santa's hot. What the hell is Ozzy? No.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Who's going to carry the slaves in the sack?
Oh yeah.
See what Planet Fitness is missing out on.
Shakira.
225 is victim weight.
I might not lift 225. Just for the hell of it.
225 incline. Come on.
Oh, that's heavy. I felt so many things pop. It's wonderful.
Come on. Let's go. Pick it up. Pick it up. Lightweight, baby. All right.
You want to do another?
Santa's there. Santa's getting bought so he can carry all those presents. Santa heard a loud pop in his right shoulder on that 225. I'm gonna eat some extra cookies this Christmas.
Well, if you made it this far, thank you for watching. We don't get to do a whole lot of long form content, so I'm not always happy with the long form content, but we put a lot of effort into today. Made a lot of kids happy. Made a lot of adults happy. Thank you for supporting what I do, even if you're not subscribed. Hopefully we can get better at YouTube content so it's a little bit more entertaining. So anyway, thank you and see you next week, hopefully.